let's hop to it.
Morning, folks. We are on utility mode again today. Got the KOBELCO SK55 RX. We're gonna dig this utility, dig for that soakage trench. We already got the pit dug. We just got to get pipe and everything in it. Morning, Frank.
Morning.
Here's our power. We got all the locates. Power is going to there, or 2-inch. And then we got the water line in the same trench. There's the water line there, or water box. Or is it right there? I don't know where my finger is, but you get the deal. So yeah, we got our sewer there, a low point down over there. So we're starting to dig our sewer in our low point. But we got to put our clean out. Fortunately, the concrete guys came and marked out where the edge of the patio is going to be, so we know where to put our clean out. So that's a good thing. One less thing to worry about. Pretty cool. Free. Just bench right here and just be careful over here. That's what we'll do. Come out with the clean out, goes straight. It's got about 1/4 to 1/8 inch of flow. After the clean out, dive down with the 45, come up with the 45, and that's my thought process. There she is. All right, got that all dug. So now we're gonna move on to the power, the water, phone, cable, gas. All that's in one trench. I never trust locates out here. But you see right there is our locate. Over here, probably 2 foot off, luckily I shoveled, is our gas line. I'll show you. Oh, right there. So, and our locate is up there. That's like 3 foot off. Wow. So there's our water line sleeve right there. Up there is where my gas line and gas sleeve is going to be. Got our 2-inch sleeve coming out. Right there at the end of the shovel is our 3-inch. Got a 2-inch there that I hit, or a 3-inch there that I did not hit. We're hungry. I think Frank's ready to eat lunch. So am I. I'm a fat kid. Bye. You ready to eat lunch? For free. Oh. I take that as okay. I'll take it as a yeah. All right, so we're back from lunch. I'm gonna do the sewer. Frank's gonna do the storm. Then we'll move over to the power and the water and get things going. Get a little setup here, take you guys down and show you how you put that in. So we got our Y, little chunk of boom glued in, 3x4 Fernco. Slide that in there. We got our T-wrench. It's got 60 pounds of torque. That's what I meant. That's what I meant to say. Also ratchet style, that works. So I'm going to tighten this one down and not the other one, because so when I'm moving this around, I don't mess up any of my glue joints, and plus it's a lot easier to get my angles once, you know, if this loose. Then after I'm all done, ready to glue, I'll tighten it down. There you go. That's it. So, look at that. Look at that. I love when things work out like that. Free. Oh, Greg!
Can you learn to love me?
Can you learn? Oh, is that the only one we have?
No, we don't.
Oh. Defective. I want my money back. Oh. right there, then. Can we bring the cutters? The cutters? Alright. Alright, so we got our sewer in, our low point sewer. Ain't that pretty. We got our water line installed, the phone line, water line, power. We just went straight out of there, shot with the 22 this way, flexed in the middle. The stakes are to help it stop from popping out or making any gaps or lips. So usually when we dig these, we got a day to dig and lay. Then the inspector comes the next day, inspects it, we pass it, we backfill it the next day. Well, inspector came today unexpectedly, and so yeah, we get to backfill this. So that makes for a very good day. I thought I had enough fabric for the soakage trench, but we didn't, but that's fine. We don't have inspections on that till tomorrow, and we'll get that all done first thing in the morning. It's already laid, and we just need rock in it and to extend the pipe inside the soakage trench. But perfect day, got a lot done. With that being said, do 3 simple things for me, please, to help this channel out. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll catch you on the next one.